If you invest 10,000 rupees every month for 20 years at a 12% rate of interest, you will reach 1 crore one day. But what if your income grows and your SIP grows too? How much difference would that make? So in this video, I am going to show you the exact step of SIP calculation in live Excel demo. So let's talk money. Welcome to Money Talks with Abhishek. Here we are break down money with logic, not by hype. And today in this video, I am going to run different numbers in the Excel so that you could see how much wealth you can build within some time period. So let's go to the Excel. So if you see, a person is investing 10,000 rupees and with increment of 10% every year at 12% rate of interest. I am taking 12% rate of interest because it is the average return you can get within 20 year of time period. And it could be more also, and it could be less also. So let's change the number to 15%. So here you will reach 1 crore at 15 years of time period. When it was 12%, it was taking 1 year more. So I'm changing the increment to 15%. See, now what is the difference? So if you see, you're reaching 1 crore at 14 years. Okay, which is 1 year less. And if your income grows more after some time period of time, you can increase it to 20 as well. And let's make the annual ROI at 12%, which is the average one. Okay, see, now you are reaching the 1 crore at 13 years. So only you are implementing 20% every year, you are reaching 1 crore in 13 years. Okay. So now let's make it to 10%. So now I am going to give you some example for aggressive investor, those who can invest 50,000 or 1 lakh per month. So if you invest 50,000 per month, then you can reach 1 CR at 8 years of time. And let's make it 1 lakh also. See, if you make 1 lakh, you will reach at around 5 year of time. Is it very interesting? If you use this step of SIP calculator and depending on your income, you can use your number and you can calculate how much wealth you can build in some specific time period. So that is the real magic. So here I am just taking 12% of annual rate of interest and increment is 10% and initial investment is 1 lakh. So let's take it to 5,000. So now see, for 5,000 also, it will take some time, but you will reach 1 crore at 21 years of time period. Sounds good? So anyone can invest any amount of money and they can see how much wealth they can build within some specific time period. So this Excel very much useful. So I am giving this link in the description. Please download it and run your number. Most people focus only on returns, but returns depends on the market situation. But our contribution is in our control. So when our money grows, our SIP should not stay same. Our SIP also grow with it. Our money grows, our lifestyle grows, whatever our SIP is. Should it be fixed? Think about it. So finally, if you want to grow your money in a disciplined and in a structured way, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching the video. This is Money Talks. Let's talk money.